Hari Om. Today's our topic is Sma Nishkashayat, where we are going to learn how to change present verb with Sma into past tense. Like Khatati Sma becomes a Khatat, Ichhataha Sma becomes Ichhata, Agachanti Sma becomes Agachan, and so on. Then, which points matter here? Let's see. There are five essential points where the first 2 points should be memorized. Number one, the suffixes of present and past tense in pairs, like the suffix of parasmepadi lat lakarah with the suffix of parasmepadi lat lakarah, and the suffix of Atmanipadi lat lakarah with the suffix of Atmanipadi lat lakarah. Number two, the structure of tenses in pairs, like the structure of Parasmepadi lat lakarah with the structure of Parasmepadi lat lakarah, and the structure of Atmanipadi lat lakarah with the structure of Atmanipadi lat lakarah. Number three, the position of prefix which changes according to the present and past tense. In present, it comes before dhatu, whereas in past, it comes before agamaha. Number four, the study of basic sandhis such as Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Yana Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Samanya Sandhi, and so on. And number five, the rule of Anuswaram. After Anuswaram, if there is any vowels, then Anuswaram is changed into Halanta Ma. Now, let's see some key points of Sma Nishkashayat. Number one, cancel the Sma Apyam. Number two, change the ending present suffix into past tense. Number three, check is there any sandhis occurred or not. There are two positions where sandhis are occurred. First, after agamaha if there is any dhatus which begins with vowels, then. And the second position is between prefix and agamaha. And number four, bring all the words together. Well, let's see these key points through some examples. Here, Rajati Sma becomes a Rajat. How? Let's see through some steps. First, Sma Apyam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix te is replaced by the in past tense. After that, all words agamaha dhatu raj and suffix the are brought together, which becomes a rajat. So our sentence would be Chandraha a rajat. Let's move on to our second example. Here, Chintayati Sma becomes a Chintayat. First, Sma Apyam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix ti is replaced by halantata in past. And then all words are brought together, which becomes a Chintayat. So our sentence would be Mata putrasya vivaha vishaye achintayat. Let's move on to our third example. Here, Gachati Sma becomes a Gachat. First, Sma Apyam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix ti is replaced by halantata in past tense. And then all words agamaha dhatu gaccha and suffix halantata are brought together, which becomes agachat. So our sentence would be Acharyah Shishyaganena Saha Ganga Snanartham agachat. Here, after Anuswaram, the vowel A has come. That's why Anuswaram is changed into Halanta Ma. Let's move on to our next example. Here, Karoti Sma becomes a Karot. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix "the" is replaced by Halanta Ta in past. And then all words are brought together, which becomes a Karot. So, our sentence would be Mata putrasya palanam akarot. Here, after Anuswaram, the vowel A has come. That's why Anuswaram he changed into Halanta Ma. Let's move on to our fifth example. Here, Jivanti Sma becomes a Jivan. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix anti is replaced by an in past. And then, according to the first rule of suffix, the letter a is cancelled. And then all words agamaha a, dhatu jeev and suffix halantana are brought together, which becomes a jivan. So our sentence would be prajaha pashuvat a jivan. Let's move on to our next example. Here, bhavanti sma becomes a bhavan. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix anti is replaced by an in past. And then, according to the first rule of suffix, the letter a is cancelled. And then, all words agamaha a, dhatu bhava, and the suffix halantana are brought together, which becomes a bhavan. So our sentence would be Stuti Gayakaha Prasannaha Abhavan. Let's move on to our seventh example. Here, Ichataha Sma becomes Ichatam. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix taha is replaced by tam in past tense. And then the rule of sandhi is checked. Here, after letter a, the letter e has come. That's why here guna sandhi is occurred. And then after a, the cluster letter ch has come. That's why the letter a is changed into letter I. After that, all words are brought together, which becomes Echatam. So our sentence would be Eto Kamalam Kretum Echatam. Let's move on to our next example. Here, Agachanti Sma becomes Agachan. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix anti is replaced by an in past. And then, according to the first rule of suffix, the letter a is cancelled. Then, the rule of sandhi is checked. Here, after the prefix a, the letter a has come. That's why here Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is occurred. And then all words are brought together, which becomes agachan. So our sentence would be Janaha Vanyapashun Drashtum agachan. Let's move on to our last example. Here, Nivasataha Sma becomes Nivasatam. First, Sma Avyayam is cancelled. After that, the ending present suffix taha is replaced by tam in past. Then, the rule of sandhi is checked. Here, After the letter E, which is the last letter of prefix ne, the letter A has come. That's why here Lyanasanti is occurred. Let's see in detail. Here, after the letter E, the letter O has come. That's why the letter E is replaced by halanta Y. Then this halanta Y merged with halanta N, which becomes Nya. After that, agamaha A merged with halanta Nya, which becomes the cluster letter Nya. Then all the words are brought together, which becomes Nirvasatam. So our sentence would be Mrugaha Kakaha cha Nirvasatam. Well, that's it for this session.